Else Nutrition has developed the first 100% plant-based infant and toddler nutrition, which is also soy-free. And I can attribute the 2020 success to an excellence and plan execution, leveraging our unique DNA in our space, which is rooted in our proprietary assets and our proprietary breakthrough production processing approach backed by science. What investors should look from the company in 2021 and going forward is, first of all, rapid expansion across many factors: geographies, distribution channels, product lines, and patent portfolio. The more important thing is the holy grail. We're looking to see the FDA and other regulatory bodies approvals, as well as the clinical validation for all the product lines. What it means for ELS to be recognized as a TSX Venture 50 winner is that it signals to both the investment and the consumer communities that we're here to stay and we're a bright spot for the future.